Here you have it, a Strong's Concordance. It's helped me out a lot as a young preacher, and we have done a couple of videos for young preachers, but it also helps out the older preachers as well, and just those who have an inquisitive mind and those who are researchers. And a concordance is a verbal index to the Bible. Simple form lists biblical words alphabetically with indications to enable the inquirer to find the passages of the Bible where the word occurs. And so with today, the way things are, and I'm sure I don't have to say it, but there's a lot of deception out there. And even with the way Christianity or Jesus have been presented to us as being a Caucasian male, which we know that's not the truth. And no, I'm not a racist. But let me tell you this, that I am a realist, and I would rather deal in facts rather than taking the word of God or the images therein and manipulating them to our own advantage or our own way of thinking or anything like that. Just present it as it is. And that's the best way to do that. But a lot of times that's not the case. And so we have to keep on fighting for what's right. And so to get you a Strong's Concordance today, it'll be a real advantage in your life and a real plus in your life. Thank you.